Have you ever wondered about the complexities and challenges in government operations? In the vast realm of public service, managing assets, allocating resources, and maintaining compliance with regulations often feels like navigating an intricate maze. It's a delicate balancing act, a dance between efficiency and transparency, where one misstep can echo through the system. The government juggles an array of responsibilities, from agriculture to facilities management, each with its own set of hurdles. Inefficiency, lack of visibility into operations, and difficulties in decision-making loom large, creating a labyrinth of complications. These challenges can hinder progress, obstructing the path toward effective governance. Moreover, the need for transparency in government operations has never been more paramount. In a world where information is power, opacity is no longer an option. The public demands visibility, and the government must deliver. But what if there's a solution that could address these challenges? That's where computerized maintenance management systems, or CMMS, comes into play. CMMS is an innovative solution that streamlines maintenance programs, enhancing asset performance and offering precise cost analysis. It's a game changer for government operations, revolutionizing various sectors from agriculture to facilities management. CMMS is a powerful tool that ensures uptime, optimizes resource management, and facilitates regulation compliance, thereby enhancing overall productivity. It provides a bird's-eye view into operations, bringing a new level of clarity to decision-making processes. With CMMS, you can generate comprehensive reports with ease, providing essential information at your fingertips. But that's not all. CMMS also excels in work order tracking, facilitating communication, and improving efficiency. It encourages a proactive approach to preventive maintenance, enhancing asset performance and helping to adhere to budgets. So not only does it boost productivity, but it also saves valuable resources. And not only does it increase efficiency, but it also promotes transparency. So how exactly does CMMS improve efficiency and transparency in government operations? Well, let's delve into that. CMMS streamlines work order tracking, making it easier to manage tasks and monitor progress. It fosters effective communication, ensuring everyone is on the same page. It encourages proactive preventive maintenance, averting costly repairs down the line. Plus, it helps organizations stick to their budgets, avoiding unnecessary expenses. But there's more. CMMS also enhances asset performance, maximizing their lifespan and reliability. In essence, CMMS is the key to improved public service. Are you ready to take the leap and transform your government operations? Let's consider the immense potential that lies within implementing CMMS. With it, we can revolutionize government operations, bringing about remarkable improvements in efficiency and transparency. It's a game changer for public service, providing greater visibility into operations, enhancing decision-making, and ensuring compliance with regulations. It's about being proactive, improving work order tracking, and increasing communication efficiency. Imagine a world where our assets perform better and we stick to our budgets. Don't wait. Unleash the power of CMMS in your government operations today. Thank you for watching our video. We truly appreciate you taking the time to understand the revolutionary potential CMMS holds for government operations. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Your support fuels our motivation to create more informative content like this. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. By doing so, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos, ensuring you stay ahead of the curve in leveraging technologies like CMMS. Once again, thank you for watching. We appreciate your support.